Hello and welcome to the video for this Sony Handycam FDR-AX770 with a battery and a charger and a nice bag and the XLR kit as well. So I'm going to talk you around what's in this bag. So we have one camera, and the slight negative for the camera is that it has the hot shoe cover missing, so there's no great shakes, it's just a little plastic cover. We have the XLR kit, which obviously plugs into the top of the hot shoe with its Rycote windsock and two mic inputs and the multi-plug there, and that's in pretty nice condition. And the charger and the lead for charging, there's a filter, looks like a polarizing filter. Does it spin? Yes, it's a polarizing filter, and the eyepiece, which goes either way, left or right eye, and the lens cap. So the camera itself, as you can see by the pictures, in pretty good order, not bad condition at all. You'll see just at the 9 o'clock, just a couple of small marks on the actual outer glass. It doesn't really show up on the pictures, but just for the sake of full disclosure, as they say. The lens hood, manual ring turns beautifully, and all films just as it should. Also this newer case, which is a rucksack type style case, which you can store everything in, and that's what it'll come shipped in. So if I just try and get this fired up, and I'll show you it working. I'll put you down there, as they say on the pro videos, and we'll see what we can achieve. So let's have a look. If I can go double through there. So it's on automatic at the moment, and then let's just zoom over towards that chimney over there. Wherever it's gone, it's over there, isn't it? Oh no, gone the wrong way. There it is. Quite difficult. I think that's maximum. That's maximum telephoto. And let's wander around. You can see the audio levels working there with the built-in microphone. I shan't bother demonstrating the auxiliary microphone. It does work, and the levels shoot up and down as just like this, really, but obviously with the improved microphone pickup. Anyway, there it is. I think that's enough. Let's put it down, and before you get sick. So that's really the kit. So I'll leave it like that, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.